Before we get started, we must put on appropriate PPE gear, which includes thick leather shoes and an apron. The driver that is used at school costs approximately $159. We have the actual drill here, and then we have the battery, and these are the drill bits. Alright, so the parts of the drill, we have the battery, the handle, the motor, the chuck, which we use to put drill bits in, the trigger, which controls the speed, and the forwards and reverse switch. This is the torque graduation ring, which will determine the power at which the drill will disengage and stop screwing or drilling. Behind it, we have the mode changing ring, which changes the mode from drilling, screwing to hammering. Behind the action mode changing ring is the speed switch, which determines the speed at which the chuck will spin. To attach the drill battery, you'll slide it from the front in, and the rails will guide it in, and the white clip will clip it in. To remove, you press the button and slide forwards. Maximum size drill bit is a 1/2 inch, and to put it in the chuck, you spin the chuck one way to make the gripping teeth expand out so that the drill bit can fit in. You then tighten it until it is firm and you are ready to drill. Before you drill, you mark your wood with an X where you want to drill and secure it very tight in a vise. Before drilling, quickly check that it is in forwards mode and line it up precisely so it is perpendicular with the wood. Once you drill in, push it into reverse mode to take the drill out. Now we move on to the driver, which costs $159. It comes with a detachable battery and multiple driver pieces. The battery on the driver attaches and detaches similarly to the drill. There are 4 main types of driver pieces that can go in: a Phillips head, a flat, a square, or a hexagon, which comes in 2 sizes, a number 1 or 2. They're attached by pushing the chuck forward, sliding the desired piece in, and then letting go of the chuck, and it will lock the piece in. The different parts of the driver are the battery, the handle, the motor, the chuck, the driver piece, the trigger and speed control, and the forwards and reverse switch. Before driving any wood screws into your work, you must drill a pilot hole. To determine the right size drill bit for your pilot hole, you want to line up the drill bit on top of the screw, and then see if you can see the threads of the screw going past the size of the drill. If so, you can attach the drill bit into your cordless drill and drill the pilot hole as explained earlier in the video. Once your pilot hole is drilled, you want to get your screw and lightly turn it once or twice just so it's standing upright in the pilot hole, ready for the impact driver. Once ready to drive, you want to line up the screw with the driver bit and push down vertically with your other hand. If you find that the driver piece is skipping the head of the screw, you must stop and change to a more appropriate size driver bit. To remove a screw from your work, first you want to change the driver into reverse, then line up the drill piece into the screw while still applying pressure downwards. Pull the trigger and the screw should remove.